Hi, I'm Denise, your resource for all things OKC and real estate. Okay, I was not prepared for how good this taco truck is at Hefner and Council. This is one of the hidden gems you almost don't want to share, but I have to. They've got burgers, quesadillas, tacos, and the sauces. Oh, and let's not forget, they give you fresh lime, which is amazing. But what I love is they give you great portions. Quality of meat is really good, and I haven't found a taco from any sort of taco truck ever that's this fresh and tasty. That bright, fresh citrus with the seasoning and those incredible house-made sauces, it just literally hits different. So you guys check it out. This is our date night, Friday night in the big town. It just hits the spot. It doesn't even matter that people are honking and we can hear traffic noises behind us. The food is so good, you forget about all that. Check it out.